I'm Amanda Horvath, and I believe in the power of your story. This channel is filled with videos that help eliminate the obstacles that get you sitting where I'm sitting right now, in front of the camera, sharing your message with the world. Whether you're currently terrified of video, scared to admit that you even want to be well known, or are just looking for a more efficient way to scale your message, this channel is for you. I help make video fun and easy so that the tech can fade to the background and you can focus on what ultimately matters, growing your tribe and making the impact you're here to make. I believe that when you harness the full power of video, anything is possible. And that's because I've witnessed it firsthand in my own life. I used to be a full-time service-based business owner where I was shooting and editing videos for clients, but now I have a six-figure online course business and am now making the transition into motherhood, where the goal is to have a fully passive income business so that I can stay at home with the kids. Whatever your dream life looks like, this channel will help you get there. I cover lifestyle design tips so that you can get clear on what you want, video marketing strategies to find and monetize your audience, as well as passive income tips so that you can start making money while you sleep. So where should you start? First off, if you haven't already subscribed, be sure to do so and click the bell to be notified every time I release a new video. Secondly, I have linked to several helpful resources in the description below that will help you kickstart your journey. So find the resource for the next step in your path and let's overcome your obstacle together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.